Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you my favorite whitener. This is a Vanish Oxi Clean and this is the crystal white one. This comes in a pack of 2 and I have a bunch of white clothes here, mainly from my daughter, and it has some stains, and I just love this whitener because you can use this in 3 different ways. You can use it and put it normal in your washing machine when you wash clothes, or you can use it as a pre-treat and put it on the stains directly. You have to do a mixture for that, and I already prepared that. This comes with a measuring cup, so it shows you exactly what you have to do. You got to do 1/4 of powder and 3/4 of water, and then you got this nice mixture that you can pre-treat your clothes with. And the third way is that you let it soak in your bathtub, for example, with a mixture with like 6 liters of water and some of this Vanish Oxi Clean. So I'm going to wash my clothes now, and then I'm going to show you the results of this amazing whitener. This is my favorite one, and this is the only one that really works. Okay, so as you can see, I got these three shirts pre-treated with the OxiClean, and this is completely off. This one is completely off. This had some raspberry stains. I had no idea what was on this one, but all the stains are off my clothes. They smell super good, super fresh, and everything is nice and white because I put some in the washing machine when I washed it. Yeah, and this is just an amazing product, and this is the only one that really works good for white clothes. So I highly recommend you buying this amazing whitener from the brand OxiClean. Thank you for watching.